Wow, walang tunog. Nothing. I have a Z now. I sold my 8.6. I'm gonna miss that 8.6. I'm at the shop right now and we're gonna put something that apparently, well, not really needed, pero I think it's good to have it just in case. So we have a plastic thing. It's like a scrape guard, I think, and it's supposed to go under the Z. And apparently, coming from my friends, it's supposed to be installed by the dealership, but they did not. So, but that's fine. I'm gonna have me and Ron. We're gonna install it now. So, yay! Ron's helping me install because I have no idea how a rivet gun works. Then you have to use this thing. I don't know how it works, so he's helping me. Oh my god, that's cute! Look at that face. And what does Ron get for helping me? Dinner! And kisses! It's supposed to look like that. Still not done. So I don't scratch. Apparently I have a scratch down here already. I don't know if you can see that. Oopsie! There's a tradition in the shop first. Whoa, look at this car!